This is a good experiment to get used to using the weighing scales. Now, if you just have one set of scales that weighs in grams, that's great. But if you have one that also weighs in kilograms, like this one, then you can do the experiment on both scales at the same time. Now, the first thing to do is to take a container, it can be a beaker or a glass, anything you like, and put it on the scales and weigh it. 234 grams. Put it on the kilogram one if you've got one. 0.234 kilograms. So write those results in your book. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to take some seeds and put them into this glass. I don't want it to fall right to the top, but we need quite a bit. We don't want them all over the kitchen table, do we? Or you'll be there all night clearing up. Put that onto these scales. 407 grams. And then again, if you've got the kilogram ones, just put them onto there. 408, so 0.408. Now this will happen sometimes, the scales will be very slightly different, but don't worry too much about that. So we write those in the book, and then we take the original measurement from that to find out how much the seeds weigh. Now I'm not going to tell you what my answer is, or you would have fun doing your own. Now the next thing to do is to take another glass or container which weighs the same, and I'll put it on there, and there it is, 234. Don't worry if it's a gram or so out, it doesn't matter too much. Now what I want to do is to match the seeds so that I've got half of them in this glass and half in that glass. It'll probably take you several goes to do that. Let me just have one shot to start with. Oops, a little bit more perhaps. Right, put that on there. 316 grams, 316. 0.3178, can't make his mind up. 0.318. Don't worry about these very small differences. The important thing is, are the glasses the same? Put the second glass on. 326 grams. 0.326 kilograms. Well, we need to do a little bit of adjusting. So take some seeds from the one that has more in, put them in the other one, and keep doing that until you've got exactly the same amount in both. And then write in your book how much that is.